bounce, pickety bounce, pickety bounce. Cause you ain't really love, you ain't really love me. You ain't really love, you ain't really love me.
How you let me give you all this love and never give it back? Too infatuated with them couples on the internet.
Amazon, because that's where I got it off from. I got this from off of Amazon. I thought that it was going to come on the day it said it was going to come. Because I thought that the early, because you know, Amazon Prime does that early stuff. I thought that was it, that it was just going to be Prime. Ooh, this feels nice. Yeah. They got a cool, high, medium, and low. Nice. That looks nice. I like combs with 3 head pieces. I got a comb. I got a diffuser, I guess. Is this a diffuser? A diffuser. And then the regular.
The fact that I was trying to figure out what this was so funny to me.
I don't know what this part. What is this called? Is this the regular piece?
It's called a concentrator now.
I like this. I didn't think it was gonna come with all of this.
We're gonna watch the replay. What happened to my speaking? I don't know. I'm sorry. That's what happens when I speak too fast.
I didn't think it was gonna come with all of this. I thought it was gonna come with the regular one. I didn't think it was gonna come with the diffuser. This diffuser. And then I think I put it in here. I'm not even gonna use this box, continue using this box, to be honest. I'm gonna put this in my pink box with all those clothes in it. I got instructions. Yes, I will be reading my instructions because I'm not trying to mess up my hair or this.
I need everything. Baby, say my name, I love when you say it. Baby, talk to me, let me know you ain't playing. Is you down to slide? You ain't never had it like me, I'ma work it like a 9 to 5. So don't go, you know you wanna stay. Why leave when you came all this way?